Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back in the saddle with yet another video. If you are a newbie joining me for the first time today, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like DIYs, get ready with me, makeup tutorials, things of that nature, why don't you consider clicking that subscribe button? And while you're at it, click that notification bell so you'll never miss another video. Now Diamonds, I know you guys come here for Mother Pat, and I'm definitely going to jump into Mother Pat, but I want to tell you about something that I have found and something that I've received the opportunity to receive and try out for you guys, and it is Dossier. It is a perfume company that even the box, the whole box, it smells delicious right now to me. It smells so beautiful. And they believe in the value of designer fragrances like your Coach or your Chanel or your Tom Ford, exotic, right? And but with them, you don't pay the extra markups. You don't pay for, and I'm just reading off the website, they eliminate the retail margins, the celebrity marketing, and you don't pay that extra markup like you would pay for a $300 or $400 perfume with like Louis Vuitton or whatever the case may be, whatever you like to wear. So I was given the opportunity to be sent one of their scents, and I picked a scent that I've been hearing a lot about, and I'm not a really big floral girl. I like spicy, kind of unisex or more manly fragrances. I'm not a big sweet or floral type of girl. So when they contacted me to see if I was interested in bringing this to you guys, my subscribers, my diamonds, I decided to choose Ambery Saffron. Now Ambery Saffron is a knockoff for, y'all know I'm gonna tear this name up, Baccarat 540. And that's something that I've been wanting to get for a while. So I'm like, why spend for I think it's $300 or $400 on a perfume when I can have something that's just as good for a fraction of the price? And I'll tell you why I love this. First, I love the size. I can pop this in my purse. I can take it with me. I love that. Because whether I need it or not, I'm going to refresh my perfume throughout the day. Second thing I love about this. Y'all see that? And we ain't even gotten into the smell. But y'all see that? I'm not going to lose this top in my purse in fear that perfume is going to be slathered everywhere. I absolutely love that, just for aesthetics. I love just hearing it. And the top notes are saffron and orange blossom. You definitely smell that when you first put this on. Jasmine, plum, and cedarwood are the middle notes. And then it bottoms out to oak moss, fir blossom, and then amber. And I love this. I love this. I do. All right, diamonds, I'm going to leave my discount code in the box below. Please go ahead and check them out. I'm sure you're going to find something that you are going to love for this summer. I love perfumes in the summertime. I'm not really a big winter fan of perfumes, but the summertime, just to feel that breeze and get that whiff. Oh my God. Oh my God. And I know y'all gonna like it too. And let's save some coin while we at it, right? So diamonds, without further ado, let's get to Mother Pat.
Fire flip. She's a boss, she's a bitch. I take that as a compliment. I've been trying not to go off the deep end.
To start this look, I took Extreme Burgundy and placed that in the inner and outer third of my lid with my Luxie's 111 brush, and it's a mini flat angled brush. Formula of these shadows, y'all just don't know. It's absolutely amazing. It's the butter for me. It's the butter for me, y'all. Easy to control, and diamonds, the ease of blending, it just melts into my skin. I mean, I'm totally hooked. Once I had that laid, I switched to the Morphe's M507. It's a pointed mini blender, and I started buffing out the edge. Now, diamonds, take your time with this to get that perfect blowout. Now, I do go back and forth between the 111 and the 507, adding product and blending it to get that perfect blend. Then I jumped to the brow bone highlight, and for that I chose Eleganza. It's a pinky purple shimmer, and I applied that with my mini eyeshadow brush from that Sweetie and Morphe collection. And then I took the M506 to blend that out. Back to the lid, I took Rose Seduction and applied it to the center of my lid with my Morphe's M213 brush. Now that I had that down, I grabbed my Morphe's M507 to start blending the two shadows together. Same process, going back and forth with the shadows and the brushes to get that perfect blend. To finish off the lid, I took the topper, I believe that's Astral Pink Moon, with my finger, and I placed that on the top of Rose Seduction. To prep my lashes for my falsies, I use NARS Climax. To line my waterline, I grabbed NYX's Shockwave liner in the shade Pop. Yes, y'all, I know it's a lip liner, but it doesn't irritate my eyes, so I'm going for it. To set that, I took a neon pink pigment. I don't remember where I got it from, but if I do, I'll put it in the description box below. Going back to my Luxie 111 brush, I started to connect the lid color, which is that extreme burgundy, with the under eye. Then I took Morphe's M507 to blend that out. With that same mini eyeshadow brush, I took Eleganza to highlight my inner corner. I forgot how much I love this highlighter quad. To apply it, I used a fluffy beauty store blending brush. To line my lips, I grabbed NYX's Downtown Beauty. Next, I took Fenty's Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Unveil. Then I grabbed MAC's Nikki's Nude and placed it in the center of my lips. And diamonds, that is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. I absolutely love this palette. Looking forward to purchasing more from Mother Pat. Don't forget to look up Dossier. Check them out. The link is below in the description box. Diamonds, as always, until next time.